Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of OCD Hi-Fi Guy. What do we have there and what do we have here? This is Project MBL 1511. Okay, this thing, look at this puppy. Wow. It's really actually sad that an MBL DAC is in this condition, but it happens. Not around me, but it does happen. And I ended up trading for this thing, and really it's the only reason I would have taken on something like this. I actually had no idea it was look like this. I thought it would be in better condition, but that's okay. I pulled this apart. It was actually assembled when it arrived. But once I opened it up, these things were not plugged in, and obviously the front. I was told that there was missing a front panel with the glass or whatever goes on there. But I happen to know that MBL makes a killer product, and it's going to be made well, no matter how old it is, and no matter what it is doing 1644 only. Let's say it's still going to be kick-ass. I know this just by the company. So the first thing I saw in here, which is kind of, I don't know if MBL does this, probably not, but somebody else probably did this. This is crappy ass old, whatever. What do you call it? Mass loading. Okay, so they stick this to the lid, and it stops vibration and it makes it heavier. But this looks like junk. I think this was added afterwards. If not, maybe it's just because it's so old and it got really hot. Sat in the sun, whatever. But so that stuff will come out. I'll pull this and get it all cleaned up. We'll buffer and shiner out. Get it all nice, and then put the glass back on. I think I can still get them from the guys at MBL. I happen to know them. At least Jeremy, the U.S. rep. He's a really great guy. Him and his wife are always at the shows, and I love to see them. And here is the body of this MBL 1511. It looks like it's had an upgrade for the 2496, 24192. And so I guess that was an upgrade at the time. We've got the balanced and an RCA, and what do we have there? Oh, there's an open slot, number 4, and I think they have glass fiber. I wonder if he's got one of those modules. That would be killer, because that's good stuff. Anyway, so we can look in here, and it looks pretty high test. You can see a killer transformer encased in its Faraday shield. It's encapsulated. We've got some vintage style classic op-amp chips and DAC. This is a Philips. Let's see. I don't even know what it is. It looks like a, well, maybe you can see. Let's go around and look. These are things that I don't really know that much about, the old NOS style chips. But that looks like one of them. Look at these little baby transformers on the way in. It looks like it's pretty well put together. ERO caps. I guess, yeah, Germany. Okay, so I have to pick. I've just started looking at this thing. I don't know too much about it. I'll have to pick over it and determine what is what and what part of the circuit is what. But we will. I will cover this this refurb of this puppy, and then let you know how it goes. Because I'll bet you I can get this thing spinning like a top, and we might even be able to do some upgrades. Maybe these voltage regulators, we could upgrade those, I'm sure. And then this stuff is pretty clean. I think I might just leave it like that, because it's probably got some nice tone to it. I'm guessing these older chips had some nice tone, some of them. So anyways, I'll keep you posted. It's the MBL 1511 Project Resurrection. All right, y'all. Talk to you later.